In the current case, the planned rehabilitation consisted of an upper resin restoration on individual raw abutments. In order to compensate for the diverging implants, a consistent insertion direction for all abutments was generated in the Zirkonzahn.Galleries software. Thanks to the raw abutment holder, it was also possible to mill all the required abutments in just one process, using the M2 dual telescoper milling unit. Once finished, the abutments were high-gloss polished with the diamond polishing paste, and anodized in gold color with the titanium spectrum color anodizer. The final restoration was then milled in Abro Basic Multistratum resin, and the gingival areas were characterized with gingiva composites. With the raw abutments, it is thus possible to realize aesthetically high-quality restorations even in case of divergent implants.